Really cold out here, so I'm going to go inside. This is actually the mobile truck. I'm going to introduce you guys to Foster. He is the tour guide of the Spiderwick Chronicles mobile tour. Good morning.
Good morning.
Now, you're going to show us something over here, which is actually how a CGI movie is made.
Right.
So go through it with us. Stand right here. Okay, that's great. Can you explain this for us?
Basically, those of you that have actually read the book, this is the actually illustrated art in the book that you would find. So for our movie, we looked at this and said, you know what, that's not good enough. So we decided to look at it again. It looked like a frog or a toad, and from there, we turned it into our illustrated art, which is this creature right here. We want to look a little bit more sinister. We then moved on and sent it off to the animator, and the animator would turn it into a CGI character. That's what we have here. This is the creature that's going to turn into the goblin for us. And once we have the CGI character, we're going to move on to where we're actually going to create a scene. So we're going to shoot everything that you see here. That means that we're going to have the little creature here, as well as the production guy and the actor. We're going to remove those two, put the CGI character in place of those, and then moving on to here, going back to the animator, we now have the final shot, and that will create the movie for us.
And these are goblins and gremlins that are invisible, and the way to view them is to come over here in the Spiderwick Chronicles mobile tour and look through this eyepiece.
The Seeing Eye Stone, yes. This is one of the two ways that you can actually see these creatures in the movie. The creatures are in here. There are 5 creatures, and this is an experience that you would normally not get anyplace else. We're giving you behind the scenes before the movie actually comes out. What you normally have to wait for a DVD to do, we're giving you today. So those lucky kids that are able to come down here, this is what you'd like to come down and see.
And coming up, Foster is going to tell me how to turn me or you into a sprite or a what?
A thimble tack. It's a lovable creature in the movie, and you'll like him too. So come on down, everybody.
Yeah, we'll show you that coming up next. Guys, back to you.
All right. That's good. Spiderwick.
Okay.